Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make plantain fries. So we're going to slice into 4. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. We need you to reach 1000 subscribers. We are just starting the journey and we need to move with you. For the subscribers, you're welcome. The returning viewers, you're welcome. Now remember, subscription is free. Just click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That's all. Thank you. Now here we add 1 bay leaf with spices and salt to taste. Then boil 4 to 5 minutes. We are using 5 eggs, and then we're putting some spices and some salt. We do the same to the flour. Now after boiling the plantain or gonja, I let it cool down. So now it's ready. Now this is what we need: the plantain or gonja, then the flour, and then the eggs. So let's start. First in the eggs, then the flour, then the eggs, then the flour, and then we fry. So here you cook on medium flame so that they don't burn. You see they're crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So you make as much as you want, but they are tasty. Try it and please share with me your experience. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's important to us. Help us reach 1000 subscribers. This is what we get after: soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.